Well, welcome you all to day 25 of our house construction. In the morning I've been working a little bit on some pipes going into the house. My plan is to put the electricity cable in and maybe a solar cable going out and down to the caretaker house. So I first made this one. This is called PPR. They are really thick and really solid. It's actually water pipes. But this one they are melted together. And I was not really happy with inside. It might be hard to pull the cable inside there, this one. So I decided to buy this, which they use for electricity mostly, the orange, and also plumbing. This is a 1-inch pipe. The PPR is 25 millimeter, and the orange one is 1 inch. And so I made it double up, because this one is glued together, so it has a much smoother transition here inside. So we're gonna put double up. It's no problem. If I don't use it, I'll just block them. So yeah, so that is some of the cable going into the house. And we already have the ground cable now, which is grounded down, way down into the ground. And they are still proceeding as yesterday. They even got some of the tie beams up. Yeah, I was just wondering if they're gonna have a space. Okay, well, we'll see. So, and they are filling in the hollow blocks. I think it's 3 layers of hollow blocks they're putting down. And yeah, happy now. Lot of progress, and I think we got one more coming today. So if we are we have 14, and we had 2 extra, 16, 17 people, I hope. Yeah. But like you see, there is a lot of progress here. And here they're ready for pouring soon. So I'm trying now to think what is important to have into the house. The plumbing goes out through the wall, so that is not a big issue yet. The CR might be going under the tie beams, but we just make a hole in the hollow blocks and take it out, because the CR tank is down there. So we have a CR in the back, and we have a CR about here, which should be then connected and then going down. And then we're going to try to make between 1 and 2 centimeter slope on the pipe until it's have a big drop. But if you have a too high angle, the water will leave the solid behind. But if you have like between 1 and 2 degrees slope, it will travel together all the way, and that's the point. Because if the solid is left behind all the time, it might clog up the pipes. Here you can see they're laying the base for the hollow blocks. It's just 10 mm steel, and then they pour concrete on top, and then they just put up here probably 2 layers of hollow blocks. It's just for blocking the water. There's no load bearing or anything. All the load bearing is on the columns and the beams, tie beams. So the hollow blocks is just for blocking the water to stop it from going under and under the house and washing it out. Now they're going to put down the last footing. And you see it has welded feet under. It's all made of 16 mm double.
Paray ka ganyo nag. Ang duwa mo kanita. Wo paray ganyo nag duwa kanita. Won. Talay mo din. Konting. Mayit ka. Paray, ikot lang. Desiro pa. Ay. Sinigo yan ako na po yan. La. Alalay lang. Dahan-dahan. Patanong ko niya. Para mag-8. Patan nyo. Patan nyo. Panggay tingnan na ito. Abot-abot lang. Para mag-8. Pagkasa ka. Para-levelin nyo.
It's down, so they need to level it and then put in the columns and tie them together and pour the columns. Same all over, but that's actually the last footer in our whole project. We finished down and we finished up when we're finished with this one. So the progress is going along. We are pouring our last footer, and this is how you move concrete in the Philippines, by the bucket and by hand. And we pour a lot, and then we have the vibrator over here, which we use. And this is the one which is just poured. So when we have done this too, I don't think we have any more footers to go. So in this 1.5 week we've been working up here, it's really going quick. I mean, these guys, they are really good workers. I cannot complain. They are working fast and hard. So, yeah, I give them credit for that. It's 5:05 or something, 5:20. So we are a bit behind our schedule. We had to do some overtime work to finish the last pouring. And we are done now, so we will start. We are 20 minutes on overtime, so we give them 1 hour off tomorrow, so they start 1 hour later. But it's important that they were all helping to clean up, and it looks like they're doing it.